What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video today. Today I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day online, and this is for anywhere in the world, for beginners. Whether you've made money online before or not, you'll be able to do this. So make sure you follow this video step by step, because if you miss any parts of this you'll get confused and you'll not do it properly. So please watch the video right until the end and do it step by step, like I say. Okay, so what we're talking about today, guys, is a website called legit.com. And what this is a website where people come on and they post jobs, what they need doing, things like that. So there's all different sections. There's graphics and design, SEO, internet marketing, and as you can see, you've got things like write a 500 word blog, and you click on this and you bid for the job. $15, but instead of you actually going and writing this article yourself, what you actually do is you go to a site called SEOclerks.com, and this is it's exactly the same as Legit, but the people that do the jobs on here do them a lot cheaper. As you can see, I want 5,000, do follow PBM backlinks order, maximum $3, mixed social signals required for my affiliate blog, max $1. So what you do is you come to legit.com and you would apply to this, or you can join legit.com and you would create your own post like this, saying that you would write a 500 word blog yourself, okay? And then when somebody comes and asks you to do it, then you would go to SEO Clerks, find somebody like this who wants one doing, where they're charging $15 for this one. As you can see, 15. On this site you can get it for as small as $1. So that's a $14 profit. But that's not the only thing. You actually get things on here called upsells. So for the $15 you would get the 5,000 word article. But if you're wanting to pay more, let's have a look now. Is there any upsells on this one? Okay, there's not one on that one. Let's have a look. 2,000 plus words of SEO article for $29. Here we go, extras. So it says there, for 2,000 words of SEO content for $29. And then they've got for 16 extra dollars on top, you get a product review, sales page, homepage pillar, and then for an extra $8 on top of that, you get basic blog posts. So at SEO Clerks, you would come here, you would, in the search bar, okay, 2,000 words, let's put 2,000 words, 2,000 words, SEO. So you've got here, write an SEO friendly viral article, $5 only. So you would come here and you would create your own post like this one, saying you would do a 2,000 word SEO ready content, or if you don't want to do that, you can apply for anything. There's internet marketing, You've got social media management, 100 social media accounts. So you would create a post like this. You basically copy what these guys are doing. Just don't put it word for word. And then when somebody comes and says, yep, I want that job doing, simply nip over to SEO Clerks, get the guys to do it, keep the profit for yourself. If you're wanting to know how to do these images, my next video, I'm uploading it in about 20 minutes. I'm going to give you a tutorial of how you can actually create these yourself using Canva and YouTube thumbnails, things like that. So just watch that video if you're wanting to know how to do these images. And that's it for today, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.